Atompak Software released a new version of one of the most popular email marketing solutions, Atomic Mail Sender 8.10. In addition to other improvements, the software now has a built-in unsubscribe wizard and a filter that removes suspicious emails. Let's see how subscription management works. In the main window of Atomic Mail Sender, click Recipients and then Unsubscribe button. You have several options. You can paste the list of recipients and they will be removed from the mailing list attached to the project. Paste them one per line and click Next to remove them. Another way of unsubscribing recipients: asking them to reply to your email and put Remove or Unsubscribe in the subject field. You need to put your surname, login and password to your email account. If you want to remove bounced emails, leave the checkbox here. Atomic Mail Sender will check your mail, find messages with those keywords in the subject lines, and remove the email addresses of those who requested to unsubscribe from your newsletters. The third option is to use a web form provided by the developers of Atomic Mail Sender. Your recipients will be able to subscribe on your website. When they want to unsubscribe, they just need to click a link in your email and unsubscribe on a special page on your website. Atomic Mail Sender will connect to your server, add new subscribers, and remove those who wanted to unsubscribe. You can remove suspicious emails from your mailing list in one click. Click Edit, Filter Suspicious,